In this video, we design a network using Cisco Packet Tracer that contain a server, a router, and switch and two-in device such as PC, laptop, and we want to transfer or transfer data PC to server and server to PC. Or we want to download or upload data in server. Okay, let's try to do that. So here at first, we take server, then router, then switch, and take in device such as PC, laptop, and now connect with gigabit Ethernet port module, gigabit supercross cable. Now connection is complete. Now take IP address for all the devices. For server 192.168.1.1, 2.1. This 1.2, 2.2, 2.3, dot. Okay, all IPs deleted. Now CLI command to the tab. Yes, no enable on the terminal interface DIG 0, 0, 0, IP address 192.168.1.1. Sorry, need subnet masking IP address 192.168.1.1. Then subnet masking 255, 255, 255.0. There's no chart exit. Interface here is the 0/0/1. IP address 192.168.2.1. Subnet masking 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. IP configuration is router is complete. Now take all the device IP address. First this server 1.2. Take stop IP configuration 192.168.1. The gateway is 1.1. Similarly, PC 0, 2.2. Copy it 2.1. Okay, then 2.3. You can make it DHCP, so you don't need to manually configure, manually give the IP address. 2.4. Okay. Now try to send message progress. Take time. So it is successful. Successful. Okay. Successfully transfer data to Ethernet. Now I want to upload and download from PC to server. So for this, need services, then FTP service. We use FTP service, file transfer protocol. Here is username Cisco and password Cisco. We also can write password and username. If you need extra password and username, you can, but generally you can use Cisco. Okay. Now from this PC1, we stop command prompt ping with this server 1.2 server 192.168.1.2. No loss. 4 packets sent and 4 packets received, so no loss. We successfully ping. Now FTP 192.168.1.2. Connected. This is connected. Now I need to create a file. So text file. I want to create text file. Here is the text file. Hello world. Control S, then save it. Test.pdf. Okay, save test.pdf. Now again command prompt. Username is Cisco. Cisco. Okay. Then password is not show, so you write Cisco again. Okay, login passive mode. Now I want to upload test.pdf file. So upload is work with put test.pdf. Okay, it's completely uploaded. Writing file test.pdf to this server. Now I want to show if the file is in the server or not. So directory dir, that is that test.pdf is in the server. If I want to download it, get test.pdf. Okay, successfully downloaded test.pdf. This way you can simulate this network that using a server, router, switch, and in devices, PCs or laptop. Thank you very much for watching this. Please like, comment, and share.